Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I've worked thousands of cases. I worked at IRS for 10 years, so I was the IRS. I'm going to talk today about how to avoid IRS ever taking your money. As a revenue officer, I did this for a living. Oh, by the way, I have been on all the major news stations, Fox, Business, ABC, NBC, NewsNation, Newsmax. Just go to my website, 777, and learn all about me. So how do you stop IRS from taking any of your money? God, so many people have asked me that question. So let me tell you, you got to call IRS and try to get your case settled. Well, you're going to say, well, how do I do that? And should I do it or shouldn't you do it? Well, if your cases are small and you have nothing to worry, you have no assets, very little income, little assets, there's nothing wrong with you calling yourself. Where people get in trouble is they have things and assets and money and they try to call IRS. That's when you get in trouble. Because when you call IRS, you don't know really what you're calling for. You're thinking, oh, you want to just schmooze some deal with them. You're going to be really nice. You can talk to IRS and they're going to understand you. That's not how the game works. So many people call me who try to call IRS and that went south real fast and now they got their bank account levy or their wages garnished because you don't know what the playing field is. You have one playing field, IRS has another playing field. You have to know that. IRS, you only play on their field, you don't play on their field. So if you don't want IRS taking your money, you've got to understand the rules that they go by, and they're not your rules. So what IRS does on every case is they ask for a financial statement. If your case is in the service center, they ask for a 433F. That's a 1-800 number. If the case is in a local office, bad news, you got a revenue officer working your case and they're going to be on you like white on rice. They have to close the case. They're big game hunters. When the case comes down here, they're going to take action. So anyway, if you want to stop IRS doing anything at all, you've got to call them and you've got to say, hey, I'm here. I'm sorry I ignored the notices. Let me go ahead and try to resolve my claim. Like I said, if you have nothing to lose because your income is small and you don't have a lot of assets, do it. You are a fool to try to do this on your own because I used to love for people to do that. That's Sammy the Wonder Dog. There's a hurricane coming here, so she's a little nervous today. So anyway, I'm just telling you, be prepared for IRS to take a financial statement, for IRS to want documentation, to look at your bank accounts, maybe look at your charge accounts. That's things that IRS is going to do. If you need me, just call me. I'm very good. We've been doing this a long time. Please give me a subscription, a like. You may say, why do people always ask that? It's simple. The more subscriptions you get and the more likes you get and shares you get, you rank higher, believe it or not, on the YouTube rating. That's why people are always asking that, in case you never knew. Anyway, a subscription would be good. Thank you. I can really help you if you have a problem. Thank you.